Hello everybody, welcome to our Magic Day 15, which is Magically Heal Your Relationships. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the relationship which has gone bad, जो relationship हमारी खराब थी, जो हमारी नहीं बनती है, वो भले अपने friend हो, अपने colleague हो, अपने business partner हो, अपना boyfriend हो, girlfriend हो, कोई भी हो, how can we heal the relationship with them? So when we read, we will come to know, but whoever has done yesterday's assignment can share or can ask. Is there anybody who's just joined? Call where anybody is there who's just joined and has some.
Miss, I'm going today. Ma'am, I'm going today.
Yeah, what's your name?
Juhi Modi.
Fine. Today you joined, so you don't know any. You have joined. You have done this course before. You have done this reading before. आपने
No, ma'am.
पहले किया
Miss,
हुआ
I'm
है?
going today only.
अच्छा तो जो अपने YouTube channel, it will be the links are shared. You can. Okay. All right. Okay. Anybody? Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my name is Nirvan.
Yes.
Yesterday I told you that I want to read.
Yes. Whoever wants to read can put it on the chat. So I will,
Ma'am, please today I read.
whoever wants to read, please put it on the chat. And you know, my request to you all is कि अगर आपको पढ़ना है ना, तो एक दिन पहले ना just read the chapter so you all are familiar with the words. Okay, so you all know it and then you can read it fluently. So anybody else would like to share or ask me something? Nobody? किसी ने assignment नहीं किया है? Nobody has done the assignment today?
Ma'am, I done assignment.
Who has done?
I done.
Okay, what did you do? क्या था आपका assignment? कल का क्या था assignment?
अपने को पहले से प्लानिंग करना है कि अपने दिन को अपने को कैसे मैनेज करना है.
हाँ, तो did it go the way you had thought in your mind? ऐसे गया आपका दिन?
Yes, ma'am.
So how did you feel? जैसे जैसे आपने सोचा उसी तरह से आपका गया?
Yes, ma'am. मेरे को बहुत happy feel हुआ. I am so happy and excited.
Okay. और कुछ मैजिक नहीं दिखा आपको कुछ भी? आज तक में कुछ भी नहीं?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody would like to share? Anybody else? Yes, you can please unmute.
Ma'am, I have a sharing.
Yes, please say.
Yesterday, I was like in a negative situation, so
मुझे ना सुनाई नहीं दे रहा बराबर रेहा. You are talking ना, I can't understand. Can you just not move? एक जगह पर आप हाँ जरा हाँ अबे बोलिए.
okay. Yesterday I was in a negative situation, so I did like how we do blessings. It was evening, so I just said in my mind two gratitudes, two blessings, and then I saw the magical power of gratitude.
तो आपका वो नेगेटिव आपका पॉजिटिव हो गया जो सिचुएशन का आपका वो. अच्छा, ओके ओके, ऑलराइट. यस किमाया, you want to share something? Please unmute.
Ma'am, when I planned that the day means the timetable for tomorrow means today, so that happened today also, and it happened more happy and more exciting.
ओके, सो कल का जो असाइनमेंट था वो कल के लिए था. यू कैन डू एवरी डे. सो अगर आपने आज भी किया है एंड एवरीथिंग फेल द वे आपने जो माइंड में सोचा वैसे ही, सो वेरी गुड. ओके, ऑलराइट. एनीबॉडी एल्स वुड लाइक टू शेयर?
I want to ask something.
यस, प्लीज आस्क.
Miss, where we will get the assignments?
where we will get, it is there, YouTube पे आप देखेंगे ना, मैं लिंक भेज दूंगी, उसमें सब, उसमें असाइनमेंट होता है। आज का तो आपको मालूम पड़ जाएगा जब when you are attending।
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, और दूसरे सब YouTube पे है, तो आपका जो आज जो YouTube का लिंक जाएगा ना, उसमें you can see पीछे के सब असाइनमेंट उसमें है, ऑल द YouTube में है।
Okay, ma'am.
और आपके पास बुक भी है, यू हैव द बुक?
No, ma'am.
आपके पास, अच्छा तो मैं PDF फोल्डर भी भेज दूंगी, तो इन दैट आल्सो यू कैन रीड।
Ma'am, I have the book, but my dad said it's like some copy which is not good or something. So he told that.
रेहा, आपकी आवाज चली गई। रेहा, आई कांट हियर यू। आपका कनेक्शन आई थिंक लॉस्ट हो गया है। ओके, एनीबडी एल्स वुड लाइक टू शेयर? एनीबडी एल्स? Anybody else? Okay, now let me see who wants to read. Have you put it on the chat?
Ma'am, please.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Nirvan? Nirvan? Nirvan is not there on the call. Okay, so then who would like to, who else would like to read? Nivan, yes, you can read. Nivan, you can start reading. I'll just share the screen.
Oh.
1 minute, huh? Nivan, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, huh? I'll just 1 minute. I just want to switch off all the annotate and all. Yes, now you can start. You can start.
Day 15. Magically heal your relationships.
Okay, 1 minute. So we have done, this is the third assignment for relationship. पहले हमने किया था magical relationship, जो हमारे close है, who is close to us. 3 people we had taken and we had given them gratitude. पहला जो हमने first week में किया था. Second week में हमने किया था magical people who made a difference. Who, जो हम stuck हो गए थे, कोई हमें problem थी and they got us out from that situation. तो वो हमारा second assignment with the relationship. आज है हमारा जो हमें किसी से भी कुछ भी मन मुटाव हो गया हो या कुछ प्रॉब्लम, एनी प्रॉब्लम वी हैव इन दैट रिलेशनशिप, वी कैन हील देम, एंड व्हाई वी आर गोइंग टू हील देम, दे आर गोइंग टू टेल अस ऑन दिस इन दिस चैप्टर, एंड हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट, ये भी ये चैप्टर में दिखाया है, ये आज की एक्सरसाइज है. सो हाउ वी कैन मैजिकली हील आवर रिलेशनशिप्स विद एनीबॉडी. ओके, यस निवान, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
If you have a difficult or broken relationship, are suffering from a broken heart, or hold any resentment or blame toward another person for anything, you can change it through gratitude. Gratitude will magically improve any difficult relationship, whether that person is a husband or wife, brother or sister, son or daughter, partner, boss, business client, work colleague, mother, father-in-law, parent, friend, or neighbor.
Yes, so you can take any relationship, whether it's a husband, wife, brother, sister, anybody. If you have a broken relationship और उससे आपको बहुत मन मुटाव है, you feel very sad, you feel lot of negative feelings for that person. So today is the opportunity. आज assignment हमारा ये है, we can take that person. जैसे हम read कर रहे हैं, in your mind you can think, आप रेडी रह सकते हैं आपको कौन सा रिलेशनशिप लेना है. यू कैन थिंक इन योर माइंड. सो बाय द टाइम व्हेन वी फिनिश दिस चैप्टर, यू नो दैट whom you want to heal your relationship with. So now is your chance. How we are going to heal is how she's going to tell us. Yes.
When we are faced with a difficult relationship or a challenging situation in a relationship, in almost all cases, we are not in the least bit grateful for the other person.
Yes, so when we are in a difficult relationship, means we are in a negative zone. So when we are negative, जो भी हमें चाहिए हम वो चीज को अपने लाइफ से दूर कर रहे हैं. So how do we get it closer? So this is the way. ये relationship को we have to heal the relationship not for anybody else, for ourselves. हमारे लिए हमें वो relation को heal करना है for us. Because अगर हम उस relationship में we have negative energy, we have सुलगते रहे, so the dream that we want we will not get. So it's only for ourselves. हम ऐसे नहीं है कि अरे भाई वो आएगा हमारे पाँव छुएगा और हमको सॉरी बोलेगा और हम माफी देंगे. नहीं, it's nothing like that. हमें अपने मन से उनको forgive करना है and वो relationship को heal करना है. Yes, please continue.
Instead, we are busy blaming the other person for the problems we have with them, and that means we don't have a shred of gratitude. Blame is never gonna make a relationship better, and it is never gonna make your life better. In fact, the more you blame, the worse the relationship gets, and the worse your life gets.
Yes, so once you start blaming, you start complaining. जैसे एक complaint क्या 10 gratitude. That is the proportion we have to do. अगर हमने blame करना किसी के लिए भी, किसी के चीज के लिए, means you are not feeling grateful for the thing. And when you are not grateful, your dreams are becoming further away from you. So now is the chance. Grab this opportunity and start healing your relationship. Yes, please continue.
Whether it's a current relationship or a past relationship, if you harbor bad feelings toward another person, practicing gratitude will eliminate those feelings. Why would you want to remove your bad feelings about another person?
Yes, so it's not necessary कि वो relationship अभी का हो, पहले का भी हो सकता है. जैसे कि आपका कोई बॉयफ्रेंड हो या गर्लफ्रेंड हो और अभी आपकी शादी हो गई हो. So you have, when you remember that person, you always have the negative feeling for that person. और फ्रेंड हो जिसने आपको बिट्रे किया हो, या आपका बिजनेस पार्टनर हो जिसने आपको बिट्रे किया हो, और जब भी आप उनको याद करते हो तो आपको नेगेटिव एंड बैड फीलिंग्स आती है. So today, now is your chance. Eliminate those feelings. वो feelings को आप निकाल सकते हो. How? By giving gratitude. So how we have to give gratitude is how they are going to tell us. And also holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. So what does this mean? अगर आप उसके लिए अपने मन में मन मुटाव रख रहे हो, it's like holding a hot coal. कोयला होता है, गरम कोयला अपने हाथ में पकड़ रहे हो, तो क्या लगता है आपको सामने वाले को कुछ होने वाला है? सामने वाले को कुछ नहीं होगा. You are going to get burned क्योंकि वो कोयला आपके हाथ में है. So the negative feelings you are having for that person, that person is not having. He may have, he may not have, or she may have, she may not have. We are not concerned with that. We are only concerned about ourselves. So if we are having that intention, if we are having that feelings, means आप अंदर ही अंदर आप जल रहे हो, आप burn हो रहे हो, and your life will become miserable. Your life will not be as it should be. Okay, please continue.
Gautama Buddha, circa 563 BC, 483 BC, founder of Buddhism. Bad feelings about another person burn your life, but gratitude will eliminate them.
Yes, so very important. Bad feelings for another person will burn your life. Burn मतलब अंदर से आप, you will feel really, really bad and you will keep going in negative zone. But gratitude करने से वो पूरा आपका जो bad feeling है वो चला जाएगा. It will eliminate. Yes. Please continue. For example,
if you have an ex-partner who is connecting you through your children and the relationship isn't good, look at your children's faces and realize that they wouldn't be alive if it wasn't your ex-partner.
Yes, so now they are giving this example. They are giving this example. अगर आप शादीशुदा हो and your partner, your ex-partner हो या present partner हो, जो भी हो, उसके साथ आपकी नहीं बन रही है, your relationship is not good. So what you have to do, you have to find gratitude. See, to find अच्छी situation में gratitude find करना बहुत easy होता है. But if you have a negative situation and we want to make it positive, तो उसमें negative is little difficult उसमें ढूंढना. But she is telling you how you can find your negative situation है, उसमें हम positive कैसे सोच सकते हो. So it is like you see children's faces and see that they are alive only, they are there only because of your partner, your ex-partner. Yes. Please continue, Nivan.
Your children's lives are one of the most precious gifts you have. Look at your children and give thanks to your ex-partner for bringing their lives every single day, as well as bringing peace and harmony to the relationship. Through your example, you will be teaching your children the greatest tool for their life, gratitude.
Yes. So look at your children and even they will learn how to be harmonious in the relationship by getting the greatest tool of your life, which is gratitude. So even if your relationships are not working, look at for the positive things and then make it and give blessings to that so that your negative turns into a positive. Yes, please continue.
Or if you're suffering from a broken heart or grief due to a relationship having ended, you can use gratitude's magical power to transform your pain.
Yes, so if you're broken, so if it is broken, your divorce हो गया हो या you have a broken heart, so now you can change. अगर आपका relationship भले टूट गया हो, but at least आपको negativity तो नहीं हो, so at least that feeling तो you can transform by giving gratitude, and with this magical power, at least you can transform that negative into positive. भले आपका टूट गया हो, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो relationship mend भी हो सकता है और नहीं भी हो. But at least you don't have negativity towards that person. Yes, please continue.
Gratitude magically transforms emotional pain into healing and happiness faster than anything else. And the story of my parents is a perfect example of that.
Yes, so she's giving us one more example, like what happened in her life. Yes, please continue.
My mother and father fell in love with each other virtually at first sight. From the moment they met, they were truly grateful to be with each other, and they had the most beautiful marriage I have ever seen.
Yes, so the author Rhonda Byrne's mother and her parents, they had fell in love with each other, and she thought that was the most beautiful marriage that she had ever seen because they were so grateful to each other. And then what happens? Yes, please continue. You can read.
When my father died, my mother understandably suffered from enormous grief. After months of suffering, she began to use gratitude's magical power, and despite her immense grief and pain, she looked for things to be grateful for.
Yes, so
She
when her
began
father,
with
when her husband died, when her father, Rhonda's father died, तो mother, she was so much in love with her husband. उनको वो grief से बाहर ही नहीं निकल सकते थे. पर उन्होंने फिर क्या किया? उन्होंने ये gratitude का ये magic tool use किया, and she started looking. Imagine अपना partner is gone, is no more there, and to look for something to be grateful, it's a very immense thing. But she started looking for things to be grateful for. जो उनके पास्ट में जो हुई थी, जो she was recalling, she was remembering everything, that the wonderful time she spent with her husband, and then there was a miraculous change in her life. Yes, please continue.
She began with the past, and she recalled all the wonderful times of happiness she had received through the decades with my father. Then she took the next big step and looked for things to be grateful for in the future.
Yes, so first she looked, one minute. So first she looked what was in the past, and then now she started looking for the future. And then how she found everything. Please continue.
One by one, she found them. She found or remembered things she had always wanted to do but didn't have the time to do when my father was alive. And with this courageous step of gratitude, Opportunities to fulfill her dreams magically poured in, and her life became rich with happiness again. The magical power of gratitude gave my mother a new life.
Yes, so when she started giving gratitude to the past, जब उनके husband alive थे तभी, and then she started giving gratitude to the future. So what happened? जो भी उनको जो करना था, उनको hobbies या उनको जो pursue करना था, which she couldn't do when her husband was alive, because she was so busy or for whatever reason she couldn't do, वो नहीं कर सक रहे थे. तो अभी उनको सब जो भी उनको ड्रीम था, जैसे उनको डांस करना हो या उनकी कोई भी हॉबी होगी, started coming into her life, and when those things started coming, her life became rich with happiness again, and she was like, it was a new life for her mother. Yes, please continue. You want to continue, Nivan?
Yes, ma'am.
For today's
For
magical
today's magical practice, you are going to look for a hot coal that is burning your life and literally turn it into gold through gratitude.
Yes, so what does this mean? What does this mean? You have to look for a relationship with, you are having a bad terms or या आपको bad negative energy वहां से मिल रही है. You have to look for that and then give gratitude and turn that relationship into gold through gratitude. Yes, please continue.
Choose one difficult, problematic, or broken relationship you want to improve. It doesn't matter whether the person is currently in your life or if it's a past relationship and the person is no longer in your life.
Yes, so it can be anybody. जरूरी नहीं कि अभी वो person होना चाहिए. It can be current, it can be past, or वो alive भी नहीं हो. You can take that relationship and start healing. Yes. Now how you have to do it? Please continue, Nivan.
Down and make a little list of 10 things you're grateful for about the person you've chosen. Think back through the history of the relationship and list the great things about the person or the great things you've received from this courageous the relationship.
From the relationship.
The easiest way to do this is to think back to the way things were before the relationship deteriorated or ended. If the relationship was never good, then think hard about any good qualities in the person because they are there.
Okay, so you ऐसे तो कोई ऐसे नहीं हो सकता कि कोई भी इंसान खराब हो. So when you sit, think of 10 things that you can be grateful for. जो आपकी जब relationship खराब नहीं हुई, end नहीं हुई, उसके पहले की देखनी है हमें 10 चीज जो which you are grateful for when the relationship was very good. अगर आपको वो नहीं मिले तो आपको उनकी जो 10 qualities हो, maybe the smile is good और उनका sense of humor अच्छा हो या वो दिखने में अच्छे हो, anything, any 10 things that you can think of those and give gratitude to those 10 things. Please continue, Nivan.
This magical practice is not about who is right or wrong. No matter what you feel someone has done to you, no matter what someone said or didn't do, you can magically heal the relationship and you don't need the other person in order to heal it.
Yes, so you don't need, you have to do it only for yourself और खाली आप चाहिए. इसमें खाली assignment आपका है. इसमें ये नहीं बोलते कि आप right हो या सामने वाला right हो. Nothing like that. You just have to give gratitude to the person whom you want to heal your relationship with. And it doesn't matter वो person आपके सामने भी होना जरूरी नहीं है. And yes, please continue, then I'll explain. Please continue.
There is gold in every relationship, even the difficult ones, and to bring riches all your relationships and your life, you have to find the gold. As you dig and discover a nugget of gold, write it down, address the person by name, and express your sentence in gratitude.
Yes, so जैसे हम गोल्ड ढूंढते हैं, like पहले भी हमने बात की हुई है गोल्ड कभी भी ऊपर नहीं होता है. You have to dig, go inside and then वहां पे गोल्ड मिलेगा. ऊपर तो कभी मिलता ही नहीं है. तो same way in relationship also आपको जब भी उसको heal करना है, so look उनकी qualities, उनके जो भी whatever the bad times, the good times that you spend with that person, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे, you have to dig, you have to sit, you have to think about that person. की relationship है, जितने में time की है, you have to think and give that gratitude. And how you have to give is what she's explaining us.
Name. I'm grateful for what?
Yes, so the reason is very important. अगर आपको जिसको भी देना है, write that person's name. I'm grateful for what are you grateful? What did you find a good quality in that person? So that you have to write. So she's given us example like this she has written. Yes, please continue.
Paul, I'm grateful for our time together. While our marriage didn't, I learned a lot. I am so much wiser today, and I use what I learned from our marriage in many of my relationships today.
Yes, please continue.
Paul, I'm grateful for everything you did to try and make our marriage work, because 10 years of marriage means you did try.
Yes, so she's finding everything. She's finding every small thing in that relationship, and she's being grateful.
Paul, I'm grateful to you for our children. The joy I receive from them every day could not be without you. Paul, I am grateful to you for the hard work and long hours you put in to support our family while I was at home taking care of our children. It was a big responsibility to have us all
All of us dependent
on you.
So
So
thank
thank
you.
you.
Yes, so she's saying that because he could work, वो काम करने जाते, तो she had the opportunity to stay with the kids, and they were only dependent on her, on his income, so they were only dependent on him. So she's saying she's looking for everything, the good time she spent together, उनको जो भी उनसे अच्छे लगे, उनके बच्चे उनको हुए, तो she is looking for each and every area that she can be grateful to that person. Yes, continue.
Paul, I'm grateful to you for the precious moments I had with our children as they grew up. I got to see our children talk and walk for the first time, and I know you didn't have that opportunity. Paul, I'm grateful for your support when I went through a difficult time of grief and loss. Paul, I'm grateful to you for the times when I was sick and you did your best to take care of me and the children. Paul, I'm grateful for the many times we had, and we did have many. Paul, I'm grateful that you want to continue to be a father of our children. Paul, I'm grateful for your support and the time you want to give our children. I know they mean as much to you as they do to me.
Yes, so she is looking all the areas she has given gratefulness to her husband. Yes. Now the relationship does not, they are not having any relationship. They are not husband and wife anymore. But because she wants to be positive about the relationship, she wants to heal that relationship. Iske liye she's giving gratefulness. She's being thankful. And she's looking each and every area where she can give her gratitude. Yes, please continue.
By the time you finish your gratitude list of 10 things, you should feel much better about the person and the relationship. The ultimate point you want to reach is where you don't have any bad feelings toward the person anymore, because it's your life that is harmed by those feelings.
Yes, so how do you know? One minute. How do you know कि आपने जो किया है वो बराबर किया है? What is the experience? What is the feeling that you will get? So when you finish doing this gratitude list of 10 things, you will feel lighter. आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. और अगर आपका जो नाम भी वो person का आ जाए, या आप कभी उनको याद भी करो, तो you will have no negative feelings for that person. तो अगर आपको ये situation आ गई, आपको you feel good, that means आपका ये जो आपने assignment किया है वो बराबर, you have healed completely. But अगर आपको नहीं हो रहा है, you after giving also 10, you feel that no, I still have little negativity. You can continue doing this exercise every day till you feel good about that person. And by doing this, you are going to feel very good yourself. If you don't do, you will harm your feelings. But agar aap ye kar rahe ho, to you will feel easy and nice, and you will have a abundance of everything in your life. Yes, please continue.
Every relationship is different, and if need be, you may choose to repeat this magical practice over several days until you reach the point where you don't have any bad feelings toward that person anymore. If you are using gratitude's magical power to improve a current relationship, you will see the relationship begin to change miraculously before your eyes. It only takes one person to magically change a relationship through gratitude, but it is the person who uses gratitude who receives the benefits in their whole life.
Yes, so if you are giving gratitude to the person जो current में आपका है कोई relationship which is going downhill, अभी थोड़ा भी अगर downhill जा रहा है, so now you have the opportunity, now you can heal that relationship, give gratitude to that person, and you will see that relationship will boom, will go uphill. वो miraculously, maybe that person you're not in talking terms, आप बात नहीं कर रहे हो, maybe वो आपको phone करे, maybe आपको मिल जाए, maybe you will have a very good time with that person. So now is your chance, and you don't need two people, it's just you who has to give gratitude, and then you will receive the benefits in your whole life. You will receive the benefits in your whole life. Yes, please continue.
If you choose a past relationship where you are not in contact with the person anymore, you will feel a peace and happiness fill you, and at the same time you will see the other current relationships in your life magically improve.
Yes, तो वो relation तो आपका होने वाला ही है अच्छा. Even your current relationship with others will also improve, magically improve, because you are giving, as I told you, एक area में दे रहे हैं आप gratitude, लेकिन दूसरी areas also will simultaneously it will work for you. Yes.
In the future, if a relationship becomes challenging, remember to use this magical practice immediately. You will stop the difficulties before they get any bigger, and instead you will increase the magic in the relationship.
Yes, so as मैंने बोला, अगर आपको लगे कि आपका any relationship is going bad, is going little downhill, you can start this practice and then it will just disappear. You will heal it immediately, and it will just magic in your life. Yes, please continue.
Magic practice number 15. Magically heal your relationships. 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. 2. Choose one difficult, problematic, or broken relationship that you want to improve. Sit down and make a little list of 10 things you're grateful for about the person you've chosen. Write it down in the following way. Name. I'm grateful for what? 4. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes, thank you Nivan for reading for all of us in English. So आज का assignment है. So
Thank you ma'am for letting me read every day.
Okay, so अपना आज का assignment है. So count your blessing, which I'm assuming everybody has done in the morning. And 10 blessings जो हमें लिखनी है. Second है choose one relationship जो आपका उसमें problem हो और it is going downhill. वो relation आपको लेना है. उसके लिए आपको 10 gratitude देना है. And when you give 10, you can give more also. अगर आपको लगेगा you are finding lot of gratitude for that person, you can give more. क्योंकि जितना आप दोगे, you will feel lighter. You will feel the relationship becoming better and all. So it's up to you. But 10 तो लिखना ही है. Think of that person. शांत में एकांत में जाके बैठ के करना. Disturbance होगा तो आपको ये will not work for you. sit in one place and think about that relationship where you really want to. And first thing, you are willing to do, you are willing to forgive that person. You are, can I please not do, I mean, can you please just not do all this screen sharing and all? Only if you are ready to do, then only it will work for you. पहले आप बैठ के सोचिए कि आपको heal करना है. So when you will start healing, yes, if you are ready and you want to heal. So once you start healing that person, even your other जो relationship, that will also become better. And जो आपका जो ये relation है, maybe the person is alive, not alive, जो पहले था, जो भी था, you will feel lighter and you will feel a miraculous change in your life. And also, अगर आपको लगे कि कोई relationship थोड़ा नीचे नीचे जा रहा है, so hold, वो पकड़ लो आप अभी, this is the opportunity, hold it, उनको नीचे मत जाने दीजिए, hold it, give gratitude, it will change miraculously. So that is how you have to do, and you have to write name of that person and I am grateful for what, reason देना बहुत जरूरी है, why are you grateful to that person, anything, physical look, और आपको किसी के चीज के लिए हेल्प किया हो, और think of something before your relation was bad, how was that person, think of that and then you can work on that. आज करो, अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो then you feel better, even जैसे आपको उनकी याद आए तो you feel nice, then good, leave it. अगर नहीं लगे, do tomorrow, day after, keep doing till you have that thing that okay, I'm healing and I'm feeling very good about that person. और जो लास्ट का जो है मैजिक रॉक, which you have to take it in when you're sleeping, when everything is finished, you're sleeping, take it in your hand, rewind the whole movie of your day, think one which is the best and give thank you for that thing. So these are your assignments for today. Now anybody wants to ask or wants to share anything, you can unmute and ask. Share.
Ma'am, one thing I wanted to talk about that. मैम आज का सेशन YouTube पे रहेगा ना? एक्चुअली मेरा आज का हाफ मिस हो गया, मैं कहीं बाहर हूँ.
हाँ, कौन बोल रहा है? Who's this?
मैम ऋषिका.
हाँ, yes, it is there. आज होगा, आज में recording हो रही है, तो I'm going to put it on the YouTube.
Okay मैम, thank you so much.
Yes. आपके पास बुक भी होगी ना, तो read it also. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आए तो you can read it also.
Yes ma'am, I have the book. Thank
Okay.
you ma'am.
All right. Okay. Anybody else would like to share?
मैम,
Yes. Who's this?
में दो जन से रिलेशनशिप अच्छी नहीं है, तो हम दो जन से रिलेशनशिप अच्छी नहीं तो एक दिन करके लेना है ना दोनों को.
Yes. आज आपको एक ही लेना है. आज आपको इतना gratitude करना है. And you start, if you find some change, अगर आपको change लगे, तो आपको लगे कि हाँ अभी मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, then you take tomorrow second relationship.
Yes ma'am, one more question.
अगर आपको नहीं लगे अच्छा, तो एक continue करो वापस. Good about that person.
मैम जैसे आज हम
1 minute. Mokshita, yes, please ask.
एक बार बात,
Mokshita,
लोग जैसे फर्स्ट डे में सेकेंड डे सकते हैं.
Mokshita, आपका आवाज कट होके आ रहा है, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
मैम जैसे कि आज हम लोग वन पर्सन को लिए तो नेक्स्ट डे हम दूसरे पर्सन को ले सकते हैं कि कंटिन्यू एक ही पर्सन कर लो.
वही मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, मैं आपको वही बोल रही हूँ. आप अगर समझो आपने किसी आपकी फ्रेंड को लिया एंड यू गेव ग्रेटिट्यूड टू दैट पर्सन, और अगर आपको अच्छा लगे, यू फील के वेरी गुड, आपको लाइट लगने लगे, तो आप वो छोड़ दीजिए, फिर कल आप दूसरे को लीजिए. बट अगर आपको अगर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, आपको लग रहा है नहीं मुझे और थोड़ा ग्रेटिट्यूड करना है, यू कंटिन्यू टुमारो आल्सो विद द सेम पर्सन. जब तक आपको उसके लिए फीलिंग नेगेटिव नहीं चली जाए, तब तक यू कंटिन्यू डूइंग इट.
थैंक यू मैम.
Yes, okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I am grateful to one person. I am very, very grateful to him.
I didn't understand. आप क्या बोल रहे हो?
My grandfather's was a king of a village,
Okay.
and so like that we can always wear gold in our leg also.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
We are from royal family.
Okay. All right. Okay. Good. So you have to take a relationship which has a problem. Huh? With that area you have to healing your relationship. Anybody else would like to share?
Ma'am, me.
Huh?
Ma'am, me.
Yes, Nivan. Yes, yes. I saw your. आपने जो भेजा था मैंने देखा आपका vision board. Anybody has made vision board? निवान ने बहुत अच्छा बना. He sent it to me. बहुत अच्छा था. Anybody else? Are you all making the vision board? Please make. If आप लोग ने नहीं बनाया, start making your vision board.
मैम मैंने बनाया है
तो आप बताइए आपका vision board.
मैम, लेकिन अभी वो पेस्ट नहीं हुआ है अच्छे से.
Okay. तो आप जब बना लो तभी बता देना.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my sharing is that today my mother's phone fell down from the second floor to the ground floor, and when she got it, it was cracking. So then I told my mother to be grateful that at least it's working.
Okay. Very good. So it's working. It's working. चल रहा है phone? Okay. All right. Very good. Good. Okay. Yes. Who else would like to ask? Yes. Please unmute. आप unmute करके पूछिए मुझे. Just say your name and unmute and ask or share.
मैम
Yes.
मैम
Yes.
माय वॉइस इज कमिंग आउट. मेरा
Yes.
आवाज आ
Yes.
रहा है आपको?
Yes. 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 You are audible. आप मुझे सुनाई दे रहे हैं.
अच्छा मैम माय नेम इज अर्पिता.
Okay.
My mother has said take some rice in one bowl and take some rice in another bowl and tell one bowl rice you are very nice, you are very nice, and another bowl say you are very bad, stupid, like that. and जो राइस को आपने अच्छा बोला वो 2-3 दिन के लिए अच्छा रहेगा, और जिसको आपने गंदा गंदा बोला है वो 1-2 दिन में खराब हो जाएगा.
Okay.
So it is so this we can do ना. ये कर सकते हैं ना हम लोग एक बार तो.
हाँ कर सकते हो. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. Yes. You can do.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, my name is Misty
Yes, Mishti.
and I've tried this experiment
Okay.
and it works.
Okay. Fine.
We had made a ignore bowl also.
Okay. Okay. So, okay.
It would work.
Yes. So this, when the chapter comes, I will tell everybody else also to do it. So right now, because you all have done this thing before, आपने ये magic session पहले किया हुआ है, so you all know about it. Yes. Okay. Anybody else would like to share? Anybody else would like to ask? Please unmute. किसी को नहीं पूछना है? Nobody? I saw, मैंने देखा बहुत जन ने unmute किया था फिर वापस mute कर दिया. और भी कोई मैजिक नहीं दिख रहा है अभी? No magics? All right. Okay. So then we say goodbye for today. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. May you all have a magical day and complete your assignment as designed. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for this magic
For
session,
wonderful
ma'am.
training.
Thank you for